up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services. I am just going to jump straight to the video today. I came to this unit and the complaint was it was hot downstairs, and this unit controls the downstairs. Came and the fan, I noticed when I got here, I thought the unit wasn't on, and I came and I heard a humming noise. And I was like, oh brother. I said, it sounds like the fan is locked up. So I got a screwdriver. I stuck it inside. And I spent the fan, and the fan spun freely, so therefore I knew the fan wasn't locked like I thought. So then I came and once I spun it a couple times, it started turning. Now that sounds like a capacitor. So I came and took off the cover and everything, and sure enough, as you can see, the capacitor is bulging out right there. It should be flat and it's bulging out, so it just needs to be replaced. So I figured I'd shoot this quick video and kind of help those out there. Whether you're a homeowner and you notice that your unit's not running, this is something that it could be, or a professional out there and you get there before you spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or whatever. You're new to the trade trying to figure out what's going on with this unit. Make sure you check that. Okay, family, so I took this capacitor out of here, and I look, as you can see, like I said, it's bulging out. And what I'm going to do, I don't have this capacitor on me right now, so I am going to use the Turbo 200 here temporarily and put this on, and this can be used for a variety of different capacitors. You can change the leads on it to fit your need based off the size of the capacity. All you do is, it should have some leads in here. Yep, there they go, right there. So I need a 540, so I would hook the fan up to 5 microfarads right here. I would hook the compressor up to, all right, so I'm gonna have to jumper the 20 and the 25 together, and then put the compressor on there, and it'll be 45, but that's fine, and to get it up and running. So I'll show you my setup. Okay, as you can see, I have the 20 and 25 jumpered, and then I have the compressor hooked up to that. Then I have the fan hooked up to my 5 microfarads, and then in the middle is my common, and I have to hook up my contactor to the common as well. But that's what you're looking at as far as to get it back up and running if you're using what we call a rescue capacitor. Okay, so I discovered something else, family. So if you want to check I know this capacitor is bad because it was bulging out, but if you're going to check your capacity on this thing, your microfarads, I mean, you want to discharge anything that's left in there, and you just get you a screwdriver or something to touch there to discharge that. In this particular case, there's nothing left to discharge. Like, I have my meter, so you can check it out. What you have to do, put your meter on microfarads right there for your capacity, and for capacitor. C is for common, HRM is for compressor, and fan, of course, is for the condensing fan. So this fan right here. So right now I have it on common and fan, and I'm getting nothing. So now I'm going to switch to common and HRM, and I'm getting nothing. So in this particular case, the compressor nor the fan would have been working. That's why it's hot in the house. Put the disconnect back on here. Okay, so I had the homeowner turn the unit on the inside back on, and as you can see, now the unit is running. All right, family, I want to thank you for taking this moment out to check out the video, and there'll be more to come. Thank you, and have a blessed day.